Welcome back with another video. Today I will be showing you how to make the sugar cookie recipe, just a smaller batch version. So let's get started. And what I have here is one egg, one medium egg, but you can also use one large egg for this recipe. Here I have 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 cup and 1 tablespoon of white granulated sugar. And
Correction, 6 tablespoons of butter.
Here we're just going to add a splash of pure vanilla extract and 1.5 of flour. Right here, already all in there. So to begin, what we're going to do is go ahead and blend the butter first. And I've used like room temperature butter, not completely smushy, but just enough where you can indent into it. Alright, now at this point what we're going to want to do is blend in the sugar with the butter. But what I want to do first is blend that butter to get a nice consistency first. So what I've done here is just set that at a 4 on my KitchenAid. We're gonna let that run its course for a little bit, and then momentarily, once that's all blended in, we're gonna incorporate this sugar as well. Now this sugar cookie recipe, eventually I will be molding into different shapes. Now I have a square here and the circle that'll be forming as a tire. So essentially to decorate for a Monster Jam birthday party. So I already have my idea in mind for that. So that's what I've chosen. Alright, so at this point I'm incorporating that sugar. Last little bit. I'm just going to do it in thirds. So this is a little less left, but just enough to get it all incorporated. And then at that point, that's where you want to stop. You don't want to overmix the batch. And here's that. So what I want to do is incorporate the cornstarch in with the flour, and what the cornstarch does actually helps the spreading of the cookie. Since I have a form to shape, I don't want it to spread any more than it has to. I need it to keep its form. I'm going to decorate these cookies like I mentioned. So I need them to stay that size basically. Alright, so what I'm doing here is just add in thirds the flour, the cornstarch. Alright, so just need to take a look. Pretty much incorporated. Now at some point I am going to scrape in the sides. That you do want to be incorporated also. Just go ahead and add that. And the last batch. Now I just want to scrape on the side here. That's it. Just go ahead and it's time to add in the last bit of this. use the number 4, this KitchenAid. KitchenAid, definitely worth the investment because it works for just about every recipe that I use. And I made empanadas, pizza dough with this. Of course, it has a separate mixer, a dough mixer with a different attachment. And also lots of other recipes, cookies, chocolate chip cookies, peanut butter cookies. Lots of different things could be made using this unit. Alright, now what I want to do is add that last splash of butter. I'm going to give it the mix, but just add 1 splash. Just so. Alright. I'm just going to let it, this vanilla blend in here. Get all incorporated. There's your opener. Alright guys, so I'm going to stop right there. I'm just going to scrape up the sides and of course let it sit to chill in the refrigerator for 20 minutes or so. And then check back into it. Then I can at that point work with the dough. And eventually roll it out with my rolling pin. And this one's a silicone so it doesn't stick. But essentially if you are going to be making shaped cookies, you want to leave them in 1/4 of an inch of width. So not too big. Alrighty guys, so that's how you make the sugar cookie recipe, and this calls for a smaller batch. So I will be uploading a video next on how to go ahead and decorate for Monster Jam Kid theme cookies. And so I have different ideas, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching.